I got to visit Ross Dress for Less for the first time. We were down in Maryland, and they don't have any up here on Long Island. So I got to see some of the things that they have, and they really have some cute little stuff. So they had this right here, this little clock, and they had it in different shapes too, $20, and it had like a real marble look to it too. They had a lot of nice home decor options that you can pick from, a lot of modern pieces. This right here was cute. It made me start thinking maybe I can put little pieces of silver in my home. They had just such nice stuff, so I was pleasantly surprised by the Ross. I have seen it in other people's vlogs and different things, but I've never been able to go to one myself. This piece was nice. Like I said, they had a lot of nice home decor options, and the prices were really affordable. So they are a great place. If you have a Ross Dress for Less in your area, you should take advantage of it. Or if you pass one by, you should take advantage of some of the good deals that they do have on these really nice home decor pieces. They have clothing, they have just a bunch of different stuff. So they had picture frames, they have large wall decor options. This piece I thought was cute because it's something that can go in a lot of places, and it was really big for $40, not bad at all. And then they had the same kind of style like in a half circle version, and this one was $30. And again, those colors are just nice and neutral, so they'll fit in with a lot of places. They had furniture that you can get. So they had this bench. I like the details in the bottom and then the little details at the top in the fabric there. And that one was $130 for that. And that was a good size bench. They have other ones with storage. These cute little stools, like little footstools they had, and they were only $10. The color in the wood was real nice and real pretty. This bench right here, I couldn't see the other side because it was facing the other way, but I'm assuming it might have storage. I don't know. But these do definitely pull up and they have storage. This cute one right here, we were thinking about getting for a little tiny space in the room. That one was nice. This pretty pink one right here with the circular shape, that one was cute. These little books, so they like the little faux books, and they were starting at $5, not bad at all. And they had different ones, London, New York, Paris, and they all had a little storage in them, so you can hide your remotes, different things like that. And it's just cute decor. So it's a book, and like, it's double the thing usage. So it's not a real book, you can't read it, but you know what I mean. They have bathroom stuff, and the prices were really great. $5, not bad at all. And then this one, $6. They have different styles. I like just something clean, simple, not too much going on, because it can fit with a lot of spaces. This soap pump right here is $6, and then this holder right here, $5. Another nice wood piece, because I love a wood piece, and you can see like kind of the curvature in the lines of that, which I thought was nice. $35 for that. This, another cute little tiny sofa. We were saying it could be for like our pup, but we don't have that kind of space. But if you have that kind of space, that'd be a cute pup sofa, but like a small one for your room, like to sit at the bottom of your bed or something like that. $160 for that right there. This table, this stool right here, $35. And you can see the little lines on that, really pretty. That could be pretty at like a vanity or like under a bathroom vanity. This little like faux marble table right here is something real nice, and it's good for small spaces. And I just wanted to show you that this little sofa also has storage, so you can pull that up and it has storage in that. They have shoes, they have just everything. It's kind of like a Marshall's, TJ Maxx, all of those stores. So they had a lot of sandals out for the season. They had sneakers, they had dress shoes, just all type of different things for all types of different styles. So if you're looking for some of that, like I said, and if you have a Ross Dress for Less in your area, you might want to head over and see what yours has. They have some designer brands, they have regular brands, so you can get like a mix. So $13 for this Calvin Klein belt right here. They have purses, and like I said, just a mix. I thought the buckle on that was so cute. You can see the buckle has the same print as the The bag, which is cute, $53 for that. It's like a little guest purse. This purse, cute, nice and simple, $15, and it has like the little raised details on that one. This little Tommy Hilfiger backpack, it was like a nice soft material too, for that one right there, and a cute little size, and it had the logo on the straps, $35 for that one right there. This bag had a nice little classic bag look, so it gives you that like designer bag look, you know, but at a cheaper price. But it didn't have a tag on it, so I can't tell you the cheaper price. This one, I like the zipper details that it had on it, and the color was pretty. $13 for that one right there. Not bad at all. This little green one, another cute little pop of color, and then the butterfly details on that one right there, $15. And like I said, they have a ton of other cute stuff. These are little baby items that they have. So cute. So it's a little skirt, and you can get the little wings. These would be cute for like photos and stuff. A ton of cute little headbands and stuff for babies. $5 for that set. They have items for your pets. So they have the little retractable leashes. These storage bins I thought were so cute because they have the opening in the front, and then they have the cute little handles. So they came in like that brass look, and then a gold. You can see they're stackable, $7. They have a ton of wall art, and they have like, you know, designer style wall art, $25 for that. Not bad. They have these cute little word sayings. You can just see the details on that. I just thought was super pretty, and it's a nice long piece there for that one right there, and only $15. Not bad at all. So you can get this. Is like a designer dupe. Was so pretty, just the way it was, the shadow box art, but with the stone. $20 for that. Not bad at all. They have food storage items, things for your kitchen, so you can leave them out on your counter, so it's like counter decor at the same time. This right here, a really good size, $4, and they had it like in a different pattern too if you don't like that one right there. They have dishes. They had these like oil and vinegar containers. I didn't see a top on them, so I was confused because usually they have like a little spout top on those. They had these little icy makers. These would be great for the summer, so you can make the ices and then squeeze them up. So I thought those were cute. $6, not bad at all, and you get a set of 4 of those. So yeah, you might want to check out something like that. Again, just more food storage options. $5, not bad at all. And again, these will look nice in a pantry, out on your cabinet. These little cups I thought were cute for the season, especially since a lot of bee decor is popular right now, and you can get that whole little set in the tray there for that $9. Not bad. This spoon rest, so pretty. So it's a big spoon rest. You can get your mixing spoons, all kind of spoons on that. $6, and they had it in different like marble likes. These bowls I thought were so nice, just the shape of them, the way they look stacked. They didn't have a price on them though, but they were just so pretty. And then they have dishes that kind of went along with that, but these look so cute. These little wood pieces, you can put like, you can use those for your kitchen utensils or something, and the wood is really nice on that. $9 for that one right there. Ton of great mirror options. So these mirror options I thought were so pretty, all of them. They had a lot of pretty shaped mirrors. So they had long ones, they had, you know, just circular ones, but these are nice wall mirrors. So this one right here, just super cute, and only $20, and it could fit like a nice size and fill up like a blank space on a wall. These that have like that carving detail to it, $17. Not bad at all. And me always, if you don't like the color of the outside, you can change that. You just tape off the mirror part and just change the outside of it. This one right here has that high-end designer look. $30, not bad at all, with the little details on that. This is like kind of that sunburst kind of mirror, but not at the same time. This one, another nice wood piece one, $15. You can see all of these are affordable prices. So Ross Dress for Less is a great place to get affordable home decor, affordable, you know, other options and stuff. This one right here, this is another set. So you'll get different pieces in this, and they come in different sizes. $35 for that. It looked like it was missing one piece. It like it should have been 3 pieces, not 2, but don't quote me on that. These chairs right here, so they had like a ton of cute seating chair options, different styles that'll fit in with different homes, different decors, different colors. So yeah, you want to head down to Ross Dress for Less. That pink one with the gold legs, just real pretty. something that would look cute. I love a chair at a vanity, so I say that a lot. But a nice vanity style chair, the little sofas, they had a ton of those, well, a few of those. But yeah, you can get office chairs, just a lot of things. And the colors, grays, creams, whites, browns, these are all colors that are like neutral colors, so they can fit in with a lot of different spaces, different home decors, different styles. So they have stools that you can get for like your counter, your bar. This one with the wood and the leather details, and then the nail heads and stuff, I thought that one was real pretty, just something different. So yeah, you might want to head over to your Ross Dress for Less, and like I said, see what they have, because I was pleasantly surprised for my first time there.